Hey everybody, it's Mr. Bod from Bagoday Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate Crystal's channel. First, you want to go to the main YouTube page. Next, you want to type Bagoday Crochet in the search blank and click search. Scroll down till you find the channel. There's Crystal, Bagoday Crochet. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all to receive all notifications every time she uploads a video. Click on Bagoday Crochet. Here we are. Follow her on Instagram. Follow on Facebook. Visit the Etsy shop to find great patterns. Follow on Pinterest. Click videos to find all of the great Bagoday Crochet videos. Yarn hauls, tutorials, unboxings. Click playlists. Everything's organized so it's easy to find, and I'm sure you'll find something that you love. Welcome to our wonderful community, and as always, happy crocheting.